In this video, we are going to learn how to protect sheets and unprotect sheets using a macros. Now, you can uh, use a manually as well. Go to File menu and there is option Protect Sheet, Protect File, and all these options. Now, I took the blank sheet here. Now I want to protect them. Go to Developer tab. First thing, go to Developer tab or use Alt 11 as a shortcut. Now, after that, go to Visual Basics and which worksheet you are working, that you need to find out here in the project section. Okay, and then right click on that whichever the sheet you are working, because now my sheet is a protect. Okay, protect sheet. I gave it name as a rename protect sheet. Now go to Insert tab and Module. So you can see it is a very like a very simple and easy to write code. So you don't no need to go every time the file and just create one button and you save it this code whenever you want, you use it. Okay, so just start with the sub and sub. For this is my the macros name. Okay, macros code name. As you can see the for the this is for the unprotect. Let me show you for protect one. Just a second. Yeah, the protect one and unprotect one I will show you. So protect worksheet. Now which sheet we want to protect? Active sheet, because my active sheet is now whichever you are working, that is the active sheet. And active cell, it means this is my active cell because I am some writing something here now. Okay, so for F5 is my working cell, and this sheet is a protect sheet, is my active sheet. So dot whatever you want to protect, so dot protect and use with the password. Okay, so I just give it name as my password, or you can give it as 123 whatever you want, and end with the sub and run. Go to the here run, or you can save as a control S and go to here macros. There are all macros are listed here. Whatever you did, whatever you said, you can see here. There are all you can see. Where is my unprotect protect sheet? I think protect worksheet. Yeah, this one. Click on this and run. Okay, there are different many ways you can run it. Now you can see whenever I am clicking here or writing something, that error is showing. The cell or chart you are typing to change is on the protect sheet, so that is why it's not working. So how we can unprotect? Now go to again there with the developer tab and you can save it for this, and same we can write as a code. Just we need to write as unprotect. This is the only difference between unprotect and protect. Dot unprotect dot protect and using the password. Now if I run this, you can run from here or you can go with there. Let me see if I save this one. First thing you have to control S, so that will save and run from here, or you can go the macros option. Now you can see, let me no, let me wait. Here was my, yeah, I want to unprotect this one. Okay, so that's why active sheet means this sheet is a protect set, so that's why I want to unprotect. Where is, yeah, here is a unprotect worksheet, not a rows. You can do with the rows as well, you can do with the column as well, as you want. Now you can see it's working. Now you can type it here. So this is all about how to protect and protect using a simple easy to write code in the Visual Basics. I hope you understand. Thank you.